thank you for coming for our SOLIDWORKS Innovation Day event 2026. So today will be formal launch of the version that's gonna come out soon, end of the year for 2026.
We also implement some of the mechanization program such as the Rice Mechanization Enhancement Fund and lately the Cocoa Lake.
I'm a long-time SOLIDWORKS user, actually more than 19 years. This year is a very special year for SOLIDWORKS. Why? Because we are celebrating the 30 years of anniversary of SOLIDWORKS' first release in the market. So for the past 30 years, we worked with all the different engineers, innovators to create a lot of amazing products.
So in many cases, like this one, we can actually import your hand-drawn sketch to use as your reference for your, especially for yung mga shape na medyo complex like this one.
Using simulation can accelerate time to market ng product po natin. Mapapaikli po natin yung product development time. Which yung time na matitipid po natin, we can innovate further. And then you can reduce yung prototyping natin, which is so hindi na po tayo mag-i-invest ng malaking halaga para lang sa prototyping.
Our preparation for this competition was not the same with others because especially that our mentor is away finishing his postgrad.
Either way, we pushed through and we're so happy we get to have this experience with Computertrends, with 3DS.
Thank you, Computertrends!
Our message to Computertrends is that continue being a leader, continue taking that step forward towards innovation, towards change. Take that step forward always.
To the Computertrends for giving us this kind of opportunity to showcase our creative ideas and making it.
Thank you, Computertrends!
So when we talk about manageability solutions, security, scalability, that's the Dell Pro. There's so many form factor under this category. And then of course, talking about intensive application like SOLIDWORKS, that's Precision or Dell Pro Max.
In terms of the client, we also introduce the most intelligent, fast client computing. And at the same time, sustainability. Okay? All of us are concerned about the future. And as an organization, through our OEM partners, the way we also produce our silicons, we want to take into consideration to contribute to environment with sustainability.
First gagawin po ni Eric is i-reserve niya yung ating assembly para hindi maapektuhan po yung ibang mga users. So, ilalak ko yung ating assembly sa akin para hindi po siya magalaw ng ibang users.
Yung mga information ng length, width, volume, yan, yun yung kailangan ng sa bounding box. So, kapag nagkikreate kayo ng mga packaging, halimbawa meron kayong design sa isang assembly or parts, gusto nyong i-check kung ano yung mga packaging niya, yung sizes, approximate size ng pinaka-package natin, pwede nyong gamitin yung bounding box.
So for the future and innovation in terms of education sector, so we have the accelerating the innovation with the use of this technology, enhancing collaborative learning because we can do a multiple disciplinary design application. Not only in mechanical, we can do in terms of electrical engineering, computer engineering, and electronics engineering.
Big thank you to everyone for coming for today's Innovation Day. So see you again next year.